Hi folks, how you doing? My name is Chris Carr, and we're going to have a presentation today called The Effects of Alcohol and why we should not use alcohol, drink alcohol during exercise or use it to excess when you're out having fun. Now I know you like this subject because here in America and in the world we like alcohol, and it's a nice drink to have to forget about stress and enjoy a little bit more. But if you're thinking about quitting drinking alcohol, or you just want to know scientifically why it isn't the best for us, then hopefully this presentation will help you out. Number one, alcohol will kill more neurons, which are brain cells, more than any other drug out there. More than crack, more than cocaine, more than heroin, more than acid, more than mushrooms, more than marijuana. Okay? So it seems to help make us the dumbest, quickest. Might I also add that here in the United States of America, it is the easiest drug to get a hold of because it is a drug, it's a mind-altering substance, and it's legal. You can get it at pretty much any gas station, at least until 2, 4 a.m. in the morning, at least here in Florida. Might I also add that no other drug has produced as much death as alcohol on the road. There are far more car accidents due to alcohol than any other drug. As a matter of fact, half of the car accidents that happen where there's deaths involved are alcohol related. Especially when people think they're sobering up. Especially like in the morning when you're going to work or going to school and traffic is really slow. Half those times when somebody dies, it's because somebody was drinking the night before and thought they were sober enough to drive the next day. And it slowed the reaction time and stuff. It's mind altering. It'll make you think more confident when actually it's a depressant and it makes us react much slower. Okay, scientifically, in the average sugar gram of alcohol, there's 7 calories per gram in alcohol. And just off of a research study lately in the class of Advanced Exercise Physiology with Dr. Chung-Wang Hung at the Florida Atlantic University, we were able to see through a number of PowerPoint slides based on research that the breakdown of alcohol and its ability to be utilized for energy is usually a very slow energy, like a fat energy, more than a sugar. And also only a very small portion of it can be used as energy, and not really anything high-intense energy like sprinting, or maybe even boxing, or jogging, or even basketball, or maybe even moderate jogging. So that's a couple of food for thought. Also, 20% of alcohol is absorbed in our stomach. 80% will pass through our small intestine and large intestine. And 90% will go through the liver. And as we see, the liver filters basically all our food and beverage to get rid of the contaminants. And since alcohol is poisonous, it goes right through that. Might I add also that 3 to 10% of alcohol can be excreted from our bodies through sweat, through gases, exhalations, and things like that. It leaves this remnant inside us called acetaldehyde. And what that does is it builds up in our liver. It's in our liver. And it builds up and it holds back the B1 in our body, which is for energy. So it holds that back. So I know it's fun to drink. I used to love drinking. I used to drink all the time. Shoot, I used to go to Florida, to Panama City Beach during spring break I still go to spring break parties. Be careful if you're going to drive. I would recommend to have someone else drive. Because even let's say you drive and you drink alcohol and your reaction time is quick enough, somebody else could hit you in the car and they would die and you would go to jail for at least 25 years because you drank. Okay, enough of the spooky stories. Enjoy life. Do what you're going to do. And if anything, I hope you learned a little something from this presentation. I thank you very much. My name is Chris, also known as Natural Body Man, and I want you to have fun and exercise. Yeah!